welcome to the channel. Today we're walking you through how to open an account with Regions Bank. Whether it's your first bank account or you're looking for a new banking partner, Regions Bank offers various options tailored to your needs. So let's dive in. Now at the top right corner of their website, you'll be able to find this open an account button. You'll find it beside the login button. So hit on that and that will redirect you into this section. So once you scroll down into this section, you'll be able to find the selection of bank accounts that you can actually open with Regions Bank. So for example, I want to check out the checking accounts available. I'll just simply click on the checking account. And from here, as you can see, you can differentiate the differences between this checking accounts. And once you have selected the specific plan that you want to use, just simply hit on that open now button and that will redirect you into the section. As you can see in here, you'll be able to find the list of requirements that you need to have before you continue. So in here, you can select answer to this question if you're an existing Regions customer or a new Regions customer. And since I am a new customer, I'll just hit on that new customer button. Then here you'll need to enter your contact information such as your first name, last name, email, phone number type such as mobile or home. Hit on the next button to proceed with the next steps. Be sure to double check everything to avoid errors. And if you're at the branch, the bank representative will handle this for you. Once your application is approved, it's time to fund your account. You can do this by transferring money electronically, depositing cash, or writing a check. Remember, the minimum deposit may vary depending on the account type. Finally, don't forget to set up online and mobile banking for easy access to your account anytime, anywhere. Download the Regions Bank app, create a username and password, and you're good to go. And there you have it. Opening an account with Regions Bank is quick, easy, and sets you up for financial success. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments what kind of account you're planning to open. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.